POV, you're entering your curly hair era. All thanks to the Diffon Ceramic from Bellissima.
With its unique argan oil infused ceramic heating element producing gentle infrared heat, this diffuser nurtures your curls, ensuring they dry evenly and retain natural beauty and bounce.
No more fighting with attachments. Its design is sleek and easy to hold.
It also comes with a unique diffuser with 112 micro air outlets and 12 fingers to ensure a gentle, non-frizz flow of air.
Plus, protect your hair with 2 optimized airflow and heat settings for the ideal curly hair drying experience. Achieving great curly hair has never been easier. The Diffon Ceramic is here to make it happen.